We're back at it again. We're gonna unbox like 9 Kanto first partner packs and 1 Sinnoh pack. This is the last pack I got, so let's get to the unboxing and see what we can get. I'm gonna start off with this first. I'm gonna unbox all these like packs. Put that to the side. I'm gonna open all of them and then we're gonna unbox them all. See, the thing I'm tripping about is like, look, bruh. Does anyone actually have one with the things here? Alright. Open this up. Put that there. Put that there. Darkness Ablaze and Evolving Skies. Hope we get some Sword and Shield or something. Let's see what we get. Darkness Ablaze and Evolving Skies. I say it like that. Sounds so dyslexic. Alright. Oh, Sword and Shield now. So the way I'm going to do Evolving Skies is I'm going to just open it. Not even do the card trick. We're just going to open it straight like that. Hopefully I get blessed today by these packs. We're looking for any of the top 3 alt arts in this set. So that's like the Rayquaza, the Umbreon V, and the regular, and the VMAX Umbreon, VMAX Rayquaza. I don't even know. I think it's VMAX Rayquaza, Umbreon, and VMAX Umbreon. The card is now like gone down in price, right? It's not 300 something anymore. I don't think so. Alright. There's all our packs. Let's separate these, by the way. I'm very nervous right now because Evolving Skies is not my friend. It's my mortal enemy. Hopefully we don't get any of the low-end alt arts because, like I said, I'm going to buy those. Well, we have a Chilling Rain pack. Oh, yeah, I forgot. This is from the Sinnoh pack. So, got Sword and Shield. Another Sword and Shield. Dang, you got a bunch of Sword and Shield. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that we got that. 2 Darkness Ablaze. Alright, let's start off with these packs. Start off with this one. My bad. Kind of moved the camera a bit. I'll do the card trick for everyone else, but Evolving Skies isn't getting the card trick. Pokeball, Hypno, Big Malasanda, Psyduck, Bonsweet, Lillipup, Dratini, Wingull, Bruxish, Butterfree, non-hollow. And dang, that's a lot of, it's a big stack of those guys. This Chilling Rain card pack can give me an alt art too. Steenie, Larion, Hattern, Heracross, Rhodes, Quillfish, Castform, Weedle, Shuppet, Abomasnow non-hollow, Darkness Ablaze. What if we struck out and don't hit anything? Familiar Bell, Zuelis, Relicanth, Tauros, Pansage, Wishiwash, oh crap, Rookie D, Aeron, Gothita, Klinglang. Let's see if we can make a comeback. Electric Energy, Clang, Familiar Bell, Struggling Gloves, Cupchew, Aeron, Starly, Purloin, Marnie, Gradent, Electrike. Dang, this is like so off-centered. Alright, Evolving. I mean, Sword and Shield. Now, if we get hits on Sword and Shield, That means our Evolving Sky chances dwindle by a lot. So I'm praying we don't get as many hits on these. Energy Switch, Quillfish, Stratusberry, Blipplug, Sobble, Minchino, Glaring Ponyta, and what was that fire type? It's probably Salandit, Evolution Incense, Deevil. Two, three, four. Electric Energy, Quillfish, Citrus Berry, Palpat, Rhyhorn, Blipplug, Choodle, Roselia, Muna, Crushing Hammer, and Turtonator. We need Crushing Hammer to come back. Or they already have a card that does something similar to Crushing Hammer. Remember, people hated that card so much. That should have been in Celebrations. I'll be honest. Crushing Hammer. Just a throwback. Vitality Band, Haunter, Pokemon Catcher, Pecturan, Hoot, Mudbray, Wookie, Krabby, Drapion, Gravipolt, non-hollow. Okay. Fighting Energy, Reboot, Glaring Stunfisk, Dottler, Ghastly, Cloudpuss, Salandit, Joltik, Baltoy, Blipplug, Knocked Owl. Two, three, four. Metal Energy, Bisharp, Salazzle, Evolutions Increase, Rookidee, Rhyhorn, Choodle, Incense. Does that say increase or incense? Connie, Cloudpuss, Hyper Potion, Rhyperior. What does Hyper Potion even do? We have one hollow. Heal 120 damage from one of your Pokemon that has at least 2 energy attached to it. If you healed any damage in this way, discard 2 energy from it. So you heal someone and take 2 energy from them. I wonder if anyone has actually used that card in competitive play. Or is it too bad that no one's going to ever use it? Great Ball, Hitmonchan, Seeking, Glaring Zigzagoon, Sizzlipede, Chinchou, Baltoy, Kufant, Whimsicott, Professor's Research Hollow. So I already can tell we might not get anything, most likely, in our hits. Water Energy, Palpad, Thwackey, Haunter, Baltoy, Kufant, Krabby, Yamper, Cobra, Cloudpuss, Snorlax V. Yeah, so it's looking very slim. Like we might not get anything. I don't like these odds. We're going to go like this. Feebas, Hoppip, Hitmonchan, Fletchling, Tentacruel, Ziana's Resolve, Altaria, non-hollow. All right. First pack of the deck. We have 9 packs to go. Evolving Skies. I'm always expecting disappointment. Faveve, Carvana, Double, Mareep, Drowsy, Shiftry, Rengeki, Hollow. All right. I mean, that's a good sign, right? Teddiursa, Feebas, Hoppip, Hitmonchan, Fletchling, Fletchinder. Oh my God. We got an Altart. We got a Leafeon VMAX. Oh my God. Whoo. Oh yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Our luck is paying off, boys. Our luck is paying off. Cutiefly, Pikachu, Applin, Lillipup, And I have the regular alternate V card too. Wishy Wash, Mars Shadow. Dang, I haven't. This is the first time I've seen that card. Mars Shadow Hollow. Okay. Bro, I'm so happy right now. We got the Leafeon VMAX. We're missing Glaceon, Umbreon. Oh, look at the bro. Look at this card. What? Cutify, Applin, Sableye. Bro, y'all see this? Nickit, Bergmite, Petlil, and my Milotic non-hollow. Bro, what was wrong with that pack? I might submit these for grading. Do you think these are worth submitting to grading? That's coolish. That's cool. Okay. Well, we got an alt art. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Woo! Oh crap. Slack off. Fabebe. Carvana. Double. I can't believe I had that card this entire time in stash. Merip. Hydreigon. And Wishy Wash. Not hollow. That is absurd, bro. I'm in shock right now. I don't know y'all can tell, but like, geez Louise, this is a gorgeous card. And I have it. That makes sense. I get the Leafeon All-Star and I get that card. There's Sylveon and Glaceon missing and Umbreon. So that's all we're missing right now. Roggenrola, Wobbuffet, Hip Hop, Swablu, Zorora, Dino, Milotic again. I'm a oh man. See what these. I feel like this is how you open Evolving Skies, bro. Carvana, Emolga, Slackoff, Gossifer, Love Disc, Zygarde. What is this? Duraludon, VMAX. Not bad at all. All right, last pack. I would say I'm happy with this. I'm so happy right now. Okay. Litleo, Lotad, Teddiursa, Cryogonal, Nickit, Altaria, and Entei Hollow. Bruh. That was insane. We managed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got an alt art. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, man. I'm just hype. That was a good pull. I mean, this is the highlight of my day right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace.